Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how to edit team on Mortal Kombat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application. After that, open it. Then you'll see these options from which you have to click Battle Mode. Then click on this building like structure. Then there you'll see edit team option from which you have to click. Now you'll see these many options of your teammates. You can exchange any of them and keep your team. After selecting the members, you have to click on Save Present and click on New Present and click on OK and Accept. Now your team is edited. So this is how you edit your team on Mortal Kombat. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.